New video coming in tonight from the air showing the devastation left behind by that huge tornado that swept through the New Orleans area last night. The National Weather Service now confirms this was at least an EF3 with winds of up to 165 miles an hour. And it was part of the same storm system that tore through Texas Tuesday. We know at least one person was killed, several others hurt.
That's right, and the reports of destruction span from vehicles to homes, of course. Now, this isn't an area that was hammered by Hurricane Katrina more than 15 years ago. Now, you can see the severe damage with leveled homes, debris just scattered all over the place. Louisiana Governor John Bel Edwards declared a state of emergency, and New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell followed suit.
Out of an abundance of caution, we are clearing and we are declaring, and that's being prepared right now for my signature, a state of emergency to enable access to any federal resources that we will be eligible for.
Now, officials said that power was knocked out to thousands of residents. Mayor Cantrell expects the power to be restored by 11 o'clock tonight.